Hello kids! Today we are going to play with single-digit subtraction. Get ready to use your brain and solve easy questions. Let's see how many you can answer correctly. Let's start. The correct answer is 3. What is 9 minus 4? The correct answer is 5. What is 8 minus 6? The correct answer is 2. What is 7 minus 3? The correct answer is 4. What is 6 minus 1? The correct answer is 5. The correct answer is 2. What is 9 minus 7? The correct answer is 2. What is 3 minus 1? The correct answer is 2. What is 8 minus 5? The correct answer is 3. What is 7 minus 4? The correct answer is 3. What is 6 minus 3? The correct answer is 3. What is 5 minus 1? The correct answer is 4. What is 9 minus 8? The correct answer is 1. What is 4 minus 3? The correct answer is 1. What is 8 minus 2? The correct answer is 6. The correct answer is 2. What is 6 minus 4? The correct answer is 2. What is 5 minus 3? The correct answer is 2. What is 9 minus 6? The correct answer is 3. What is 3 minus 2? The correct answer is 1. You did an amazing job. If you enjoyed this fun quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe to Numbers Masti, and share it with your friends. See you in the next fun learning video.